this is Emily from Kohler, and today this is our machines ordered by my customers. And before delivery, we will test it one by one. And if you have any interest, please send the message to me, and we can customize these machines for you and make designs for you. Hello, this is Emily. Today I introduce our customized models to you. And this model can be put in your truck, and it can according your size to design. And this is water tank, and this machine we matched 300 liters. And this water tank also according what you need about the size. And this is we matched with the Kohler engine, and it is 13 horsepower. And also this brand you also can choose what you like. And this is we matched hose reel. It max can flow 100 meters. And now we matched 50 meters. And this is our pumps, and between pump and the machine and engine, we use the gearbox, and it can increase the machine use life. And also, this place we put our spring guns, so it can be very convenient for you to use at outdoor. And if you have any interest in about this our machines, please contact me. I can offer you more details. Now let's start the machine. Open the key. I show you the action of the engine. The machine. Now I show the cleaning effect to you.